मॉन्सून सेशन काय ना मॉन्सूनात हालपोर पडपा हा हे झाड बीड माता एनवायरमेंट पाड खाते ते आता मॉन्सून हाल पडपा हा हे मॉन्सून सेशन सी normally last 4 years the session was taken in July. This has been timed in such a way to time it, means election commission is also on board with them, to make sure ये दादागिरी in the name of Ponda by-poll election, in the name of model code of conduct. This is a black day. It is a constitutional crisis. Monsoon session and September 2 this हेडपाक 2020 हेडपाक T20. काय ना ही आमगेली टेस्ट मॅच आसली मग टेस्ट मॅच बी काय ना सगळे टेस्ट मॅच आलो ते मी T20 केली T20 केली ती पासून त्यांनी म्हाका दिसता आज तुम चयला आसतली हाँगकाँग सिक्सर्स मो आसतले पापांच ओव्हर पासून हेळले सारखे हेळले हे जरी तो चयल्यार आज लोक आसता यू सी एज वी आर स्पीकिंग टुडे देर आर बजेट सेशन्स हॅपनिंग सो व्हाय ओनली गोवा व्हाय फॉर व्हॉट same election we are different, we are all Goenkar, we are all Indians, so why different rules? I think the Honorable Chief Minister and when Tripura budget, a shocking incident is, Tripura presented a full budget on the day we were discussing that the session should go on, and Chief Minister 2 days before was that Chief Secretary is being sent, show us the letter, show us one communication from the Election Commission of India that says that no, you have to curtail the session. Let him put that on record. Let him put that on record. So हे सगळे जरी चयल्यार हे सबका साथ सबका विकास जाला अशें दिसता. इथे तुम सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, you all saw the proceedings, you all are wise enough, you all are the fourth pillar of democracy. And if you all are wise enough to analyze it, please analyze it. The role today that I say is people had expectations, we put the bills and today it is in the people's court and tomorrow the people have to decide how to make sure that this dictatorial BJP government is central.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.